He was a man of medium height, slender, and dashing. But when he got in front of his choir, he was direct, he stood calmly, and he looked at every person in the choir so that they would look at him and be focused. And when he had their complete attention, he would signal that he was ready to begin. And when he did begin, music flowed through his direction of his leadership, and the choir responded. I want to tell you about what kind of person he was. He was a very energetic person, quiet, but sedate, and very strict when it came to music. He demanded perfection. He demanded your attention. He demanded your heart and your mind. This he got from the members who were members in the choir, because he expected perfection. And perfection is what he got, because he demanded it. As a choir director, he was a unique person, a unique leader, because the music he created came from the biblical text he chose to translate into Hawaiian. All of his music was written in the Hawaiian language, and